HVAC people!
All right, folks, we got a no cooling call. Guy that called me, he's not here. He say he gonna have his daughter call me on FaceTime, so let's see. Hello? All right, how's it going? Yeah, I found a burnt wire to the compressor. Yeah, I remember.
Oh, okay, yeah. So, like, I don't know if that's the same thing or what, but I don't understand, like, what would keep that, happening?
I don't know. Let's not speculate first. Let's see what's going on with it. It may not be the same thing.
Oh, no, for sure. I'm just saying, I'm talking about if that is the case, what is something that can continuously, make that happen 2 years in a row? If that is the case.
Like I said, that was almost a year ago, and I can't remember exactly, why that happened last time. Usually that probably from a loose wire or something, but I can go ahead and start troubleshooting.
Yeah, no, that's cool. So
Okay.
you gotta start outside first, or?
Now I want to start at the furnace first.
All right. Go ahead. It's on that door, so she gonna have you on the door.
Okay. Okay. She.
With a ladder.
All right, folks. You got a blower. No compressor.
If you have any questions, you just come and grab me.
Okay, thank you. Hey. Hey, Stu.
Right there.
You can show them this right here. Yeah, don't get too close to it because it's electrical, but I mean, you can show them that, yeah, these wires are burnt up. Yeah, we got burnt up wire there.
Hello? Hello? I don't know. What's wrong with it? Hello? Alright. Here you go. Hello?
All right.
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Hello?
What is wrong with the pool now? It was just working.
I don't know what's wrong with it.
Put on the phone.
All right. Yes, sir. So you do got burnt wires. And so I do recommend the maintenance and fix your wires. Because the unit is very dirty and that can cause this to happen.
You said, what can be what?
I said the unit needs to be maintenance because the coils are very, very dirty. And this can cause overamping, which will cause these wires to burn out.
Okay, and then what is that? And then how much it cost?
It'll be one.
So how much is it without the maintenance?
I mean, I can do it. But like I say, it's going to happen again, man. This unit is very dirty. If you want me to take a picture with this phone here and send it to you, I can.
Okay, so you said the total will be one.
Yeah, if you just want me to repair it, yes.
And then you said to clean it up, it'll be
Correct.
all right. I mean, as far as the cleaning and the maintenance, like what all is going to be cleaned up on it?
What's going to be clean? It's a 21-point inspection.
Well, I understand that, though, but I'm talking about. I'm just trying to figure out like what's going to be done, like what type of work for the maintenance.
All right, give me 1 second. I'll read them to you.
All right. I do have another question as well.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, because the question I have, because on the on my EcoBee, like I'll get like a notice, like it'll be like it'll say something like problem with AC, AC is calling for cool, and things like that. Like, what does that mean? If it's calling for cool.
If it's calling for cool, that means it wants to cool. When you lower the set point, it say if it's 75 in the house, and you got it set for 72, that means it's calling for cool.
So that's what you mean if it's 775, but if it's 7.
That means it's calling for cooling.
So that don't mean nothing is wrong with the system, right? It means that it's just calling for it, right?
Just calling for it.
Okay, and then another thing that happened is it'll be a notification where it'll be like, okay, when it says that, you know, a certain room is calling for cool, but the temperature has risen 5 degrees in the room.
Yeah, because you probably need a maintenance. Well, I know you need a maintenance.
Okay.
So that's mean if you got it set for 72 and it's taking a certain unnormal time to get to 72 degrees, the echo be telling you that it's a problem with the system. It haven't reached set point yet because the unit probably either not running outside or running for a normal long time. Like I say, so you need a maintenance before I can do anything else to it as far as for the troubleshooting. Yeah, like I say, you need your wires fixed, and this condenser coil is, when I say dirty, I mean very dirty. And then we can continue to check more things. But I don't know how the system running with it not running at all right now.
Okay. What you said?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yep. Go ahead. And then your guys still send the invoice via email, correct?
Correct.
Okay.
Like I say, so I'm gonna clean it up. I'm gonna clean the wires for you. If I have any more recommendations, you want me to contact you again, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Can you take a picture of this one? Just show them how dirty it is. I see. What? You do the camera. I'll take a picture for you. Let me do it one more time. All right, thank you. All right. Alright, man, let me clean this stuff up, y'all. Look how dirty that is. They asked me what would cause this 2 years in a row. That's probably why. I tried to get him last time. He almost, I don't know, man. What? Oh man, this whole compressor gone. So yeah, this whole compressor no good. As I look farther into it, yeah. Yeah. All right, my man.
What?
So you need a compressor or a new unit? See that? Your whole compressor blue. I have to call the manufacturer and like I said, we have to get you quotes. Unfortunately, so just give me a few hours and then I work up a couple quotes for you, either a new unit or a new compressor. All right, but we'll send you the diagnostic fee. Don't worry about the maintenance. All right. I couldn't even do the maintenance. As soon as I started, as soon as I about to start on the maintenance, I seen that. So ain't no need of me doing no maintenance. I said as soon as I was about to do the maintenance, I seen that the compressor was blown. So I'm not going to do the maintenance. Glad I started out here though. I say then no matter what price you get them, you ain't gonna be satisfied. Alright folks, hate to break the bad news, but happens to the best of them. Old train. The warranty, man. He might be on. So I'm looking at the unit. He might be on the warranty. I hope so. I said he may be on the warranty though. 2013.